Importers were hoping for quick refunds on billions of dollars spent on tariffs, but trade attorneys warn it could take years. The Court of International Trade, or CIT, is facing over 1,000 refund-related cases. If the Supreme Court rules tariffs are illegal, questions of refunds could bounce back and forth between the courts for months or even years. I've been speaking with trade lawyers and other experts, and there are three possible scenarios they lay out. Scenario 1. The Supreme Court could rule the tariffs are illegal and have the CIT decide on how the refund process will work. Trade attorneys warn this could be argued over several months and then presumably back to the Supreme Court for another decision. This would mean months or years of additional litigation before any refunds are processed and keep the billions of dollars paid in tariffs tied up, leaving businesses in financial limbo. Scenario 2 is when the Supreme Court orders the CIT to start the refunds, but this will not be an easy task. The Department of Justice and the importers suing over the tariffs are asking the CIT to appoint a steering committee to manage the 1,000+ refund-related cases. And Scenario 3, the U.S. importers protest the tariffs directly with customs. This can take up to 2 years to process. In the end, businesses are stuck waiting. So why does this matter? Delayed refunds means billions of dollars are tied up in a bureaucratic limbo, and it could shape investing decisions for years to come. The repercussions of that are importers may hold off on hiring or other expansion efforts. This is also bad news for consumers because shoppers shouldn't be expecting price drops anytime soon. Companies need cash in order to lower those prices, but with billions tied up in legal limbo, they're passing costs on to the consumers instead of lowering the prices. The CEO of Spreetail, an e-commerce solutions business, told me retailers haven't passed on the full cost of tariffs to consumers over the past year. Instead, they've seen their margins squeezed. Their first priority for tariff refunds will be to make themselves financially whole again, so consumers expecting immediate price cuts are going to be disappointed. And if the Supreme Court rules tariffs are illegal, trade attorneys have told me that the White House could make good on its threats in implementing a new wave of tariffs. That first wave would be a 15% increase across the board, and the second wave would be additional tariffs on a country-by-country basis, as we have seen in this latest trade war. Bottom line, businesses need to brace for the long haul and be ready to continue to pay additional tariffs. And for shoppers, relief at the checkout line doesn't seem likely. In fact, prices could climb higher before they fall.